with me today is Edson Martinez, who is the sales director at Meximuebles, where they manufacture furniture. Thank you for joining me. And let's start with some basics about your company. What products do you manufacture?
Um, Thank you, Stephanie. And right now, Meximuebles, we are manufacturing bedroom sets, entertainments, dining sets, and some accessories like consoles or something like that. It's manufactured
Okay.
that in Meximuebles.
Okay, that's great. And where are you located and how long have you been in business?
Uh, we are located two factories in Mexico. It's Jalisco, Mexico. It's 40 minutes from International Airport for Guadalajara. And the business have been since 36 years doing the same business here in Mexico.
Okay, so you have been around for a while. And how many
Yeah.
people do you have in your staff?
Right now we having 120 people working with us.
And have you produced goods for any large or well-known customer?
Yeah, we have already some customers in US, and we are working with 10 years continually business with these customers.
Okay, and are you primarily a manufacturer or are you also a trading company, distributor, or you make all the products?
We are manufacturing different styles and products, and we have some distributor, warehouse distributor in US too.
Okay, and you say that before Zipfox, you already had some clients in the United States. Is the US market different from selling to the Mexican market?
Uh, it's very different because you need to adopt the culture for doing business in US, change your mind to how is the best way to doing business with the American market. So it's very important to change that before you're starting doing business in another part of the world.
Yeah, and well, right now a lot is changing in the global supply chain, and with so many companies looking for options outside of Asia, China, a lot of attention is on Mexico. Do you see this moment as an opportunity for Mexico to play a larger role in international trade?
Yes, of course. Actually, Mexico is the best option actually for the American market because it's very closer to US. So there you can find here in Mexico a lot of different suppliers with a different material, with a different finishes and styles. So this is it's a big opportunity to doing business with Mexico. Yeah.
Yeah, I totally agree. Even like some data kind of back up what you're saying, like Mexico is like a really good option for the state. And well, as your company grows, do you have plans to expand your facility, maybe create more jobs or add new products? Like, what is the future for your company?
Actually, we have different plans to expand our business, and one of the plans is expand more business in US right now, and also in doing business in Europe and Asia too. It's coming to good news for all the company right now, and I hope in the next months or maybe 1 or 2 years expand more business in around the world.
That's great. You do have really big plans then. And well, I don't have more questions for you, Edson. Is there something else that you would like to add?
It's a pleasure for be working with Angel and you. It's I hope this platform like a Zipfox expand our business here in Mexico and bring more opportunities for the different suppliers here, and doing more business in the U.S. market in another countries too.
And I promise you that you're working. I mean, we're already working on it. And well, Edson, it has been a thing, and we really appreciate you taking the time to introduce your company to the buyers on Zipfox. And we'll be sure to link your Zipfox profile when we share this story. And we really appreciate you being on the platform. Thank you so much.